Give me 1 minute to practice your English listening. I would tell you a story called The Sneezing Robot. Max built his first robot for the school science fair. It could walk, talk, and even dance. But suddenly, the robot made a strange sound. Achoo! Max jumped. Did you just sneeze? The robot sniffed and said, "Sorry, my system caught a cold." Max laughed. "Robots don't get colds." The robot replied, "Then why is my nose blinking red?" Max looked closer. "That's your power button." The robot gasped. "Oh, I thought it was a tissue." From that day, Max's robot became famous as the world's first sneezing robot.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more stories. If you want to listen more story, you can check on my profile.